Greetings to you all. Welcome to Class 7, Refresher Course Module English, Worksheet 7, Writing Part 1. Dear children, today we are going to deal Worksheet 7, Writing, or discuss the answers or telling anything. Okay, writing means what? Writing means writing phrases, simple sentence, short paragraphs, like that, okay? And we discuss something, describe something, narrate, and some imaginary situations while writing. We write, revise, write short paragraphs, maybe based on verbal or print or visual clues, etc. While writing coherently, we focus on appropriate beginning, middle, end in English. We write messages, invitations, short paragraphs, letters, formal or informal, with a sense of, thinking of the audience. So here children, you can write your own invitation cards using the details about that, okay? For example, you want to write one invitation. So name of the person, date of birthday, age, you're going to turn, venue, where the function takes place, time, phone number, etc. All these you draw something and make it very colorful. That is an invitation. Fine. Okay, next one, arrange the words in the order in which they are in dictionary. இப்போ நம்ம வந்து dictionary பற்றி பார்க்கும்போது whenever we use dictionary, you might have seen some words and all, right? So the words are arranged in alphabetical order. So I'll just give you a few words and you can write in alphabetical order. First A varnum, next B, something like that. So if it is some many big words and all, so after that word, after first word it should be all in arranged in alphabetical order. The words I give you: advance, adverb, admiral, advocate, advice, address, advice, add, adult, adopt. Okay, so these are all mixed up. அதாவது ஏக்கு அப்புறம் பி இல்லை அந்த மாதிரி இருக்குது. So when you write, how you do? See, for example, first one என்ன இருக்குது? ADVANCE, advance இருக்குது. ஆனால் கரெக்டாக பார்க்கும்போது ADD is coming first. Alphabetical order பார்க்கும்போது add. Next one, address, admiral, adopt, adult, advance, adverb, advice, advice. அதாவது ஃபஸ்ட்டு வந்து ADVICE, அப்புறமா ADVISE. அதாவது சிக்கு அப்புறம் தானே ABCDEFGHIJKLMNOPQRST, அப்போ சிக்கு அப்புறம் தான் எஸ் வருது. Advocate, like that. Fine children. Okay, moving on to assessment part. Rearrange the following words or phrases to form meaningful sentences and write the sentences in sequential order. So you have here some words which are not in correct order, okay? அதாவது it is not in sequential order, jumbled இருக்குது. First we will arrange the words, arrange பண்ணிட்டு then we can arrange properly. Okay, first one, terrific, conditions, cities, they, in, live in. Second one, if you see, come to, cities, in, people, so, of, work, search. C, poverty, the village people, from, most, suffer, of. D, in rural areas, is employment, opportunities, there, of, lack. So இது மாற்றி மாற்றி இருக்குது. First one, if you see, terrific, conditions, cities, they, in, live in. இது when we write correctly, they live in terrific conditions in cities. Second one, come to, cities, in, people, so, of, work, search வந்த. So people come to cities in search of work. See, poverty, the village people, from, most, suffer, of. So this, if you write in order, most of the village people suffer from poverty. Varda. Okay, last one. In rural areas is employment, opportunities, there, of, lack. So when you write in order, in rural areas there is lack of employment opportunities. So when you write in இப்போ words order பண்ணிட்டோம், இப்போ sentence order பண்ணும்போது in rural areas there is lack of employment opportunities. Okay, second one, most of the village people suffer from poverty. Next one is, so people come to cities in search of work. And the fourth one is, they live in terrific conditions in cities. கிராமத்தை விட்டு பெரிய பட்டணத்துக்கு வராங்க, அங்கேயும் கஷ்டப்படுறாங்க. So that is the answer. Fine children. Okay, moving on to the next one. edit the paragraph for spelling mistakes and punctuation and rewrite it. So here there is a paragraph, some mistakes are there. Adha nama kandupidikanum. Pidikalama? Okay children. Whales are normally gentle. இங்கே gentle spelling என்ன? G-E-N-T-E-L போட்டிருக்காங்க. So the answer should be G-E-N-T-L-E. Many whales. அப்போ after gentle என்ன வரணும்? Full stop வரணும். அங்கே மறந்துட்டாங்க. போட்டுக்கலாமா? Okay. Many whales exhibit. இங்கே exhibit spelling mistake. E-X-H-I-B-I-T. Exhibit. Strong family ties. After ties, you can add one full stop. The young ones remain with their parents for up to 15 years or more இருக்குது. So the young ones remain with their parents up to a same word, up to 15 years or more. After more, full stop. How wonderful it is. So இது how wonderful வந்து it's an exclamatory mark. So you can add one exclamatory mark. Fine children. Okay, moving on to second question. Read the following conversation carefully. Convert the conversation into a meaningful paragraph. Okay, so here there is a conversation dialogue and we have to write it in a paragraph manner. Visitor and librarian. Visitor asks, excuse me, can you help me in locating the book War and Peace? So War and Peace எங்க இருக்கு sir? Librarian says, sure, go to the 6th row and the book is on the 3rd shelf. So 6th row la 3rd shelf la இருக்குது. Visitor, thank you very much. So this is like a dialogue, no? If you write it in a paragraph manner, a visitor visited a library and asked the librarian if he could help him in locating the book War and Peace. The librarian replied positively and asked him to go to the 6th row and search the book on the 3rd shelf. The book was on the 3rd shelf. To this, the visitor thanked the librarian very much. Okay, he thanked him. That's all. Very much couldn't தேவையில்ல. Fine children. So I hope you have understood and do not copy the answers just like that. You can listen again and do not miss to watch other lesson explanation videos, book back exercise, guided reading, bridge course, refresher course module, etc. Thank you children.